So it's Thursday afternoon here in Abu Dhabi and ADIPEC is coming to a close. So a couple of quick takeaways. First one, ADIPEC 2024 has been impressive to say the least. It is bigger. The amount of technology that pervades the entire event, the conferences, is fascinating. You know, as Chris Hudson says, it really is the biggest energy technology event on the planet. The crowds here, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, were spectacular, and the amount of exhibitors and the amount of people and the amount of technology. So it really is impressive. Second one, I came here knowing that AI was going to be a hot topic. I didn't think it was going to be as big a hot topic as it has been. Everything from how it ties in here with the UAE AI strategy, ADNOC strategy, G42, AIQ, how almost every company here is talking about AI. Now, AI means many things to many people, and we had everything from the discussions around how are we going to find energy and liquid cooling resources for the mega data centers that are coming down the lines, for the next large language models for 100, 200, 300 megawatts and 1 gigawatt. So everything from that all the way down to how is AI going to add value today in what we do, and efficiencies, how is it going to be used to get new chemical compounds for new energy storage, you know, everything and anything. What's the impact on jobs? What are the skills we need? Where the hell are we going to get the talent to use all this stuff? And. The one thing I found interesting was that there was not that many people talking about small language models, you know, the AI out at the edge. Now, I did come across one company that's actually using NVIDIA GPUs in their edge device so that the latest and greatest AI algorithms can run on the edge. Everything's not going back to the cloud, and especially in this industry, not everything's ever going to go back to the cloud. You need stuff locally. So that was, as I say, AI was the hot topic here. And lastly, just there is a sense of optimism in this industry. The need for more energy is not going away. The need for every type of energy is not going away. And we do need nuclear, we need SMRs, fusion's way down the line. We need more renewables, we need more solar, we need more wind, we need better battery storage. If you can get hydro, geothermal. But like, let's face it, oil and gas are not going away. So how do they become more efficient? How do they become greener? And how do you electrify all of the stuff? As I say, it's a pretty booming industry right now. And finally, a big thank you to Chris Hudson and all the DMG events team for, obviously I'm here with a complimentary pass to the Middle East Energy Club. So I have access to the event, the conferences, get to meet all the people, old friends, made a lot of new friends. And see how people, you know, what are their thoughts on technology? What's the art of the possible? And meanwhile, what's going on in the real world, right? In terms of how do you bridge the gap between look at what I can do and what do I actually need to do and what's feasible, given all of the constraints, the opportunities, the challenges, the innovation that's going on out there. So this place is really a melting pot, right? You know, it's fascinating to come to see what's going on in this part of the world, and the rest of the world comes here as well, so that everyone else can share what they're doing in their parts of the world. So it really is a melting pot. So it's been a fascinating week. I'm tired, so time to get some rest. Anyway, on to ADIPEC 2025. God knows what they'll plan for that one, because it's probably going to be bigger and better again.